If you are looking to get an ultra HD, ultra high quality video quality out of your dash cam at a reasonable price, I want to take a look at this. This is one of the most affordable 8K Ultra HD dash cams on the market. Lensuge sent it to me to take a look at it, so we're going to go over it really quickly, some of the things it does and everything like that. First, I just want to show you, what you get when you get it. So it comes standard with the backup camera that you'll need to mount. It has this wiring that you can run, and it comes with plenty of distance of wiring to make sure that you can run it all the way back from the back of your car all the way up front, and you can just put it in the lining, push it into the lining of your car. I'll put it a little bit, I'll show a little clip of how it's done here so that it looks very clean. You don't even see it. And the red wire here, you'll actually hook it up to the backup light on your car, and that way when you back up your car, this will automatically display the backup on the screen here, which is really nice because this will plug directly into the front-facing dash cam. Now, you also get the plug for the external power, and again, you get plenty of cable to run and mount it and everything, and you can run this into the lining because you get plenty of length so that you can get a nice clean installation. And then the last thing you get is this adhesive to mount it on your windshield. Now, it does not have a suction cup to where you can move it to different places. It just has the adhesive, so once you mount this, it's gonna be sort of pretty much mounted to stay. So think about that before you do this. Now, I want to look at the camera real quick. There's a couple things to think about here. So just real quickly, it has a microphone, it has a reset button here, it has the up and down buttons, the OK button, and then you access the menu here. So you can navigate through the on-screen menu here, and you turn it on here. You'll put your backup camera, you'll plug it in here, and then you can put your auxiliary power in here. It also has a speaker and alarm, and then also, one thing, especially if you're pricing these out and trying to get the best deal possible, you also need to think you're going to need an SD card to record the video that you're getting off of the camera. So this one actually comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about buying a separate one, and you don't have to worry about figuring out making sure you're getting one that is compatible. If you do decide to buy an extra one, make sure you get a high-speed card, because with this very ultra HD video, it's going to need to write a lot of data very fast, so you're going to need a high-speed card, but it comes with a 32 gigabyte one, so nothing that you need to add there. So that's pretty much all there is to it for this dash cam. It's a great deal for what you're getting, one of the most affordable on the market. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link below to where you can get more information on it.